since we are going to the farm today, I'm going to dress like a tree. I'm bringing this shirt with me. It's brown, it's brown. I got this from the internet and it's so cute. It's very cheap too. So yeah, I'm a tree today. I also got this from the internet as well. It's shipped from China, but in the internet it says .th, which is Thailand, so I don't know why. But anyway, I got it. Crossbody bag. Uh-oh, it's cloudy. Okay, guess what? Okay, let's go upstairs. Over there is where the all water comes from. Mountain. Trees. These are mostly black spote, I think, or black spout. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but yes, there's many of them here. And my mom also selling these in the Facebook as well. That's my grandma. Sawadee krap. And the view. In here is the storage. So let's go check it out. Hopefully we don't have anything unusual, because it's been so long since the last time we have entered this room. Okay, just something to chill. There's like windows through the view, electricity or not. So it's pretty dirty, so I might just take a moment and clean. You can't really live here, but unless it's for the people that love nature, because there's no aircon, obviously. I can't. Or maybe in the winter. Who knows? Oh, the sun just coming, guys. Here's how it looks like with the sun. Golden hour. Evening sun. Okay, it's sunny. I love that trees over there. Oh, bird. Oh wow, it's perfect. Over there, mountain. So usually sometime I just went here and chill with the family, have a little bit of barbecue, and yeah, usually my dad is the one starting it. I'm glad I come here today, and apparently there's no rain anymore. Okay, so I'm home and I got a little chicken from Grab. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.